Hello everyone! I think it's about time we do another K-pop star makeover. I'm sure you can tell by the outfit and the title. This is gonna be Lisa from BLACKPINK Makeup Transformation. I also collaborated with East Meets East, which is the #1 Asian dating app in North America, Europe, and Australia. They have over 500,000 members and a lot of them are K-pop fans. So they've requested this video. Let's get right into it. My first step is always priming the face. I usually do this behind the scenes, but today I'm just going to do it on camera. I'm using Too Faced Hangover Primer. For the foundation, I'm going to take this cushion foundation from Laneige. These are really popular in Asia, so I wanted to use it for this look. You can leave it dewy like this or apply another layer of powder foundation. This is from the Balm Cosmetics. And now for the nose contour, I'm just gonna go right in and start shading the sides of the nose. Her nose is a bit taller and wider, so just keeping that in mind. The brow should be really easy because her bangs are always covering them. I'm gonna kind of make it straight halfway and then give it a nice light arch. For the eye makeup, I'm going to take this white peach palette, use the lightest shadow on the lids. I'm also going to use that to contour my eye bags. I think it's called Aegyo-sal. Then I'm just gonna throw on some shimmer. This is Hypnotic Lights from Milani, and this is gonna go right on the eyelids and the inner corners. To line the eyes, I had to bring out the Sailor Moon eyeliner. So first I'm going to line the inner corners. I noticed that she does this very often. And then I'm just going to drag it and create a nice wing. Her eyes are fairly big compared to other K-pop stars. So I'm going to lighten the waterline. And then also I'm going to have to create a double lid. So I'm using this really strong eyelash glue from House of Lashes. Now this eye looks so much bigger than the other, but I'm still gonna shade it to make the line more visible. This whole makeup is pretty simple, so let's do some easy lashes as well. These are the magnetic lashes from Ardell, and I really like the short ones. On the cheeks, no contouring, just blush. So I'm taking Jouer's Taffy Pink color, applying it to the sides. And then on the lips, I'm taking a nude pink lip liner and making the lips small but full. Then I got this adorable panda lip gloss from MAC. I'm just going to add that on top. Last makeup step is deepening the smile line so it makes my cheeks look fuller. Then I'm just gonna go right into the wig cap and tucking all my hair inside. Just gonna put on the blonde wig. I'm gonna warn you guys, the bangs are a little uneven. Also, color highlights are very recommended. If you don't have it, just use a hair chalk like this one. This is from Numi. So here's my full transformation. You can wear this look out to school, movies, even a date. I'm just kidding. But if you've tried other dating websites and it hasn't worked out, try East Meet East. The app link will be in the description. Until next time, guys. Bye!